Today we have a G37S. It has an IPL kit on it. All OEM skirts and IPL kits come off the same. Very simple. You have Phillips heads on the front and back of the side skirt, and then you have a bunch of 10 mils on the bottom. And once you get all those off, there's clips on the inside that you just pop out, and the side skirt will come off. All right, so for the side skirt removal, there's two ways you can do it. If you have a very, very small Phillips, here, I'll show you what mine looks like that I sometimes use. Mine is right here. You can do it if you don't have tools to take off your wheel. You can use one of these. It is a little bit harder, so I'm just going to show you how to do it the right way. So when you're pulling off wheels, there's multiple different sizes of lug nuts. They have 17s, 19s, they have 21s, 22s. This one has 21 millimeter lug nuts on it. So we'll pull these 5 off. So it doesn't matter if you do the front or the rear wheel first. Just make sure you grab both of those off. And the reason you take those off is so that you can access those Phillips heads that I was talking about on the ends of the side skirt. Alright, so pull this off right here. There's one right here. And I pulled these off too just to get some more access when you're working under here. We'll go to the back and pull those off. Alright, so once you get the 4 Phillips heads off on the ends of the side skirt, we're going to get under here and I'll count them. There's 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should be able to reach under here and notice that all this is loose. You don't want it to be holding on anywhere. And then what I do it is I'll start from the back and I'll work a panel popper in there. There should be 3 clips right here, and you don't want to break those because then it'll never line up again. So just kind of open this up a little bit. We're going to work our panel popper under there. Kind of get it to view. Then once you can view it, just pop it out like that and work your way down. Pop that out like that. Same thing right there. Pop that out. Once you start popping these 3 off, it is common for the door ones to start popping automatically. Looks like this one's already broken. So this one has been taken off before. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like there's 6 on the inside. The only one that made it was this one. So pop it out like that. And then don't let this hang because you don't want it to break the front clips. So just kind of shut your door. Walk over here. I set my knee under it on this side. And we'll be able to pop this out like that. Somebody's had this off before. So there's 1. And there's 2. And you don't want to like force it to come off these clips. Once you get in there, like once you get under this clip right here, just twist the panel popper and it will make it come out nicely. Like, so I did these 3 and somebody else did these ones and they're not even there. So yeah, take your time, make sure that you don't break any clips because then they don't line up in the future. And we'll do the other side now. All right, so we got both side skirts off. Pretty simple. I mean, all these parts from these cars are relatively simple. There's some bolts that are hidden. There's some bolts that are easy to get to. But yeah, that's how you get side skirts off.